Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we all know I got the pink box with the stars, something from Jeffree Star that of course my mama hooked me up with. So we're gonna open it up. She already had to take a few things out of there because she got me some things for Christmas. So Jeffree Star was doing his Halloween mystery boxes. Look how cute. You guys know I love the cards. So let's open it up. So I know that she got me the mystery box, and then it also came with a little treat. So this is what the little treat was. It was a little mini velour liquid lipstick in the color Bricked Up. Let's open it up. Let's do a little swatch. I haven't used this color, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, now that I dyed my hair brown, I think that this would be the perfect fall type lip color for that like dark brownie red type of look. To the side, you hear my big black lab barking outside. Amazon is out front and he is barking at Amazon. The mystery box. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, look at these goodies in here. Okay, this is a sight to see. Look at all of that. Okay, let's see. I'm so excited. Okay, so what I'm looking at right now is 2 more mini liquid lipsticks in the color Spooky Makeover and Wrong Turn. Let me pull up the sleeves because we gotta do a swatch. Let's do Wrong Turn. Once again, now that I got the dark colored hair, I feel like I can wear any lip color. When I had that blue hair, it's like, you kind of like gotta pick and choose your colors, because I had the blue hair and I remember I did like an orange eye look, and it was very colorful, but it just, I don't know, nothing compares for me when I had like the black or the brown hair where I could do like colors. So this color in the middle is Wrong Turn, and then this color is Spooky Makeover. You guys can see that's more purple. This is the pinkish color, Gorge. Let's see what else. I like this box. Okay, so I'm pulling out 3 more liquid lips, but these are the full size. So we got Deceased, we got Red Rum, and we got Jeffree's Nudes. So this color right here is Deceased. Like a really pretty mauvey nude. This one right here that we're going to be swatching is Jeffree's Nudes. Oh, and I love this. It reminds me of like a cool tone nude, which is right here. Love that as well. You all know too, I've said this in the past, how much I love Jeffree, but Jeffree matte liquid lips, for me personally, they are like they're just great. I've tried other liquid lips, and I'll say it, you know, like Kylie Cosmetics. They're just extremely drying on my lips. They give you like that crusty look. Jeffree's has never done that to me, but I bet there's people out there that would say, well, Jeffree's dry my lips out. For me, they don't, and if I have to recommend a liquid lip, it's always Jeffree. And this one is Red Rum. I mean, come on. Perfect red color. So these are the liquid lips that we got. Gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, let's see what this is. This is the Grave Digger. Look at this packaging too. Oh my god, I love it. So this is the Velvet Lipstick. The bullet looking, oh my goodness, look at that. Put this one up here. That is so pretty too. This one reminds me of a certain shade I used to wear, just darker. This is definitely darker, but it reminds me of like, I forget what it's called, but it was one of his velour liquid lipsticks, but it was lighter, this type of cool tone gray nudish color, but this one is darker. I love it. Color Grave Digger. So we got a bunch of pan eyeshadows, so let's see what we got. So we got Black Card Limit. I'm not going to take these out. You guys can just see the colors in the packaging right there. Money Heist, Obituary, Cone, Equity, and Cherry Soda. So those are what we got for the eyeshadow pans. And let me just show you guys really quick the size of the pan. I'm only going to show one since they're all like the same. but this is the size, and I know that they're magnetic because I have a pan upstairs with some of his eyeshadows in it. So this is what the pan looks like. The formula gives you drama. Give your lashes extreme volume and stunning length. Now Jeffree's, you know, mascara is my favorite. So this right here is what this one looks like. I had the black one, you know, the F proof, you know, that one. This one just says Jeffree Star approved mascara. So maybe this formula is different. I don't know if that one was a limited edition mascara or if he still has that on his site, but that was the F proof mascara. This one right here just says Jeffree Star approved mascara, so I can't wait to try this out. Either way, I already know it's going to be amazing. See, that's how much, like, I love Jeffree Star's makeup, okay? I just already know, as I scratch myself with my nail, it's going to be amazing. Eye gloss powder. Now, this would be my first time trying eye gloss powder. So this is what the packaging looks like. Once again, we love a good packaging, love the metallic pink. So this one is Wyoming Window, and this one right here is Crystal Joint. So let's open it up and see what this eye gloss is. They feel very creamy. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So this one right here is the Wyoming Window, and this one is the Crystal Joint. You guys can see that shimmer on them. This one I could use as a highlighter. That is gorgeous, that Crystal Joint. Then we also got right here, it says Weirdo Mini Palette. Look at that, that black and red. Let's open her up. A lot of this stuff in here is like new to me, so it's exciting to share it with you guys. Oh yeah, this one is definitely one that I would put on display. And I'm definitely doing a look with these colors. Look how gorgeous. So let me just swatch these colors for you and then I'll show them to you on my arm. Glamour Shot, Razor Blade, Mohawk, Punk Couture, Weirdo, Only Child, hey right here. I love being an only child. 1989, Freak Show, and Scene Queen. So once again, these are what the colors look like. And here they are swatched on my arm. This silver shade, oh, look at that. And look at that on the screen, you guys. So metallic, so pretty. This palette would definitely create multiple looks and I can't wait to play around with it. Follow me on Instagram to see some pictures of some new makeup look that I'll be doing with some of this stuff. We got a pair of Jeffree Star socks. Love the fact that they're black and red. Super cute. And last thing, let's see what this is. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a mini knife wristlet. Give me a break. So cute. More or less like you could throw like a lip gloss in there. Your cards, like you're going out, you want something little to put your stuff in. But girl, that is so cute. I'd clip this right on my bag and this would be hanging off it. You know, just put my card wallet in there and a little chapstick. Love it! So just so you guys know that everything in this box on the Jeffree Star website, this deluxe box is $70, but the total amount that's inside this box is $283. That's what this box is worth, all the products, everything you got for a $70 value. Oh my God, you can't beat that. If you guys got yourself a deluxe mystery box or the one that was above it, let me know in the comments what you got, if we got similar stuff, if we got the same stuff. I am so happy with this box. I'm so happy I got to share it with you guys. Thanks, Mom. Love you. All right, you guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.